Hello friends, today I want to talk to you about how to make sure that you don't succeed. I know many ways by which I can fail, and the reason is I have failed for 30 years non-stop. Okay, maybe not 30, 28 years non-stop. I started to have this desire to get better when I was 17 years old. Until I was 45 years old, I made no progress. I was just going around in circles, right? So then I thought, hey, how do I make sure that I don't even succeed even after 100 years? Is there a way for that? And I found the way. And it is to not do anything. Okay? So I may have failed for almost 30 years, but I kept trying and trying and trying again and again and again like a dripping faucet, relentless. But had I not tried, had I not given this effort, had I given up after 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, okay, after 15 years, I surely should have given up, right? But I did not. I may have been in the ditches, yet I did not give up that desire, that hope, and I did not give up the initiative to take new action. And the only way by which I could have assured that I will never succeed is if I take no action. Right? So the point I want to make today is, don't do nothing. It doesn't matter how much you have failed, how bleak the situation looks, do something. Just the act of doing something itself empowers you. Even if it does not get the results you want, it builds something in you, that fighting spirit, which is what is most important for you to get what you want. If you really think that you want it, don't get something that others want you to get. If you honestly want to get something, you just have to be relentless. That is what gets things done. Just get up, dust yourself up, and just again go for that 20th round, 30th round, no matter how bruised and bloody you are. Right? So don't do nothing. Do something. Even if that something is a little thing. Today I couldn't go to the gym, so I decided to get on my bicycle and do 1 hour inside on the trainer. Okay, so I could have just slept today. I could have, and I would not have become any fatter, visibly fatter, but it's the mind I need to train. It's the mind I need to make sure doesn't get dull. It doesn't lose its fighting spirit. Okay, so I hope this is of some use to you guys. If you want something, I don't know what you want. Whatever it is that you want, if you really want it, be prepared for a long fight. And that's how you get things done. Okay, bye-bye.